Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unlock Incomparable Master in MIR4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So to do so, actually Incomparable Master is the fifth mystery of the game, and if you would like to simply unlock him, acquire him, all you have to do is first of all complete this particular task, which is rumors about Incomparable Master. You simply have to accept that particular mission and have to complete it. While doing so, you will be able to acquire some of the rewards along the way as well, and you do have some of the clues as presented over here. You can simply choose to open it up and know what to do and simply start playing the mission. Along the way, you have to defeat the 15 really powerful demons for you to reach to Incomparable Master and for you to complete the mission. Just have to remember, you simply have to complete this particular mission as I have mentioned over here. Once you have done so, you will be able to receive some awards along the way, including Incomparable Master after the completion of the mission. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.